It's already bought. Mini book is already gone. Okay, Jade, do you want to help your sister find her toy? She had a hard time. What do you like? Hello, Shalane. Jirana. You want that? Okay, let's go. She find one. It's 4.99. 4.99. Are you sure that's the price? Are you sure it's 4.99? It's okay. But she can play outside. That is more like this is 21.99. I found that is 4.99. That is 20. Oh, you like a cowboy hat? Oh yeah, the mini. Today was a great day. How come? But well, Daddy has to buy a heater for the pool. Yeah, huh? Yeah, that's. But then there's none in the Lowe's, so we have to order it on Amazon. Did you find something? None. That's a good pants. Oh really? Wow, that's a new dance. I like your style. Why it's so cute. Julian, you have a dress like this. You don't wear anymore. Pink. Ah, okay. So you might probably wear another underneath a skirt. Oh, oh. Jelana, let me see what you got. Long earlier when we got in, it's a long line, so I don't know why they have a long line earlier, right, Jelana? But this is so much better than today. I done earlier like 20 lines over there. Yeah, Jelana, give that to Dad now, so we can go there and look. No, you don't need to. Come on, give that to Dad so he can pay. So we can go there, Jelana. Let's go here and look. Come on, see, we'll wait. Look, what are these? Oh, look at that electric citric juicer. Wow. Hmm. It's no more. Daming mumu ni ano ah. Maricar. Mumu mo yan, Maricar. Oh, what you got? Let me see. Whoa. 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa.